Greetings. This video is for me to explain how does the monitor and the set are correlated and how can we do this a bit more automatic, trying to make buttons that involves this section that is set, this section right here that is the monitor section. First of all, the first thing we gotta know about this is that right here, this window, monitor window, pretty much it has every single video source that we have available in our AVRA system. We also have just at the right of the names of those sources right here, where we can see the tiny boxes with small letters inside. We got 4 letters, that it's A, B, C, and D. The same letters that we can see right here at the set section. There's 2 main things that we have to know about this. First of all is that the maximum amount of video sources available at once are 4. And the second of all is that we can play with the display of those sources. What do I mean about this? We just click right here. We have different sources, 4 different sources. One that is the background, these 2 at the left, and the main one that is the beach. Let's use this scenario as an example. Let's grab, let's say, just one letter, a set that has like 1 letter. So if we want to do some manual changes, let's click right here, the one that says video, the set that's called video. That's pretty much letter D. We're gonna find right here in the top left, our monitor section, we're gonna find that D. As we can see right here in the red part is the one that's selected with that letter, and that's why it's is the one that it's popping. If we change this playout, if we want to change it, let's say we want to put a camera, let's say we want to put this camera, the first one. If we want to do it manually, what we just have to do is click on the small letter D just right next to the name, and it's gonna appear right there. The most important part right here is that letters don't have to be 100% attached with a camera. Let's say playout right now is not associated with any camera, so is the first camera right here, that is the one on D. If I want to put playout on D, I can do that. Or if I want to associate any other camera, let's say this or the media hub, let's say I want to have this one here on my source letter D, we can also do that. Like I'm saying, it's something that we can play. It's something that we can manage and we can arrange the way we want it. This is one of the ways that we can do it. The other way to do it is simpler, and is the one that we suggest all the time, because it's easier and it works 100% better. A simpler way to create a setup of how do we want to see the cameras is just creating a button. That's what we do it. We do it right here, the auto VJ. Let's use this profile right here. That's the one that's called Alex. And first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a right click on any button blank. We're gonna hit edit, and we're gonna start this way. Let's put a name right here. After that, we're gonna assign a color. Let's just hit the blue right here, and we're gonna go to the bottom part. Right here at the Set tab, we're gonna hit this square. We're gonna hit the Apply Video Composition, so we can edit the whole thing. Well, first of all, we're gonna make an example, and the first thing we're gonna see that we're gonna check is the set part, because as let's say the structure that we want to make. The set part right here, let's say we wanna do something with this right here, cam A. So what we gotta check is right here the set section. We will find the name of cam A, this one here. Why does it work like that? Because pretty much AVRA is a name-oriented software, so everything belongs to a name. What are the other two things that we have to check right here? Is that here in cam A, we're using two sources. Those two sources are letter A and letter D. D is this tiny part, this small part, and letter A is a big one. So what we want to put right here in letter A, well, anything we want to have, we want to show, and that it's up here in the monitor section. So let's say right here in source A, we will have Media Hub. That is the beach is my source right here in the middle. And letter D, as you can see in the top right corner, letter D, it will be any other thing that I want to show. Let's say I want to show right here, this is locutor. Let's show this camera with this position. So we'll hit OK, and the bottom is going to be created right here. Once we click it, we're going to see basically the beach at the background where the A letter is, and the D letter, it belongs to the second camera, locutor. And that is the easiest way of make a set. This will go on air. This is a simpler way to arrange like any preset that we want to make, just using the set section and the monitor section right here. That are the video sources that we have available. Thank you.